Let's get the wrap on and ready for baby. Find the middle of your wrap, as denoted by the Hope and Plum tag, and place that on the middle of your chest. Spread the fabric of one side out and bring it around your back. You'll want to keep the fabric nice and spread and bring it over the opposite shoulder. Make sure that the fabric doesn't get twisted. Now we'll do the same thing with the opposite side. Guide it around your back and over the opposite shoulder. This will make an X along your back. Now coming around to the front, grab each of your shoulder passes and pull straight up and out, getting any excess out of your wrap. Pull your chest pass down so you can grab both of your shoulder passes and bring them underneath the chest pass. Make sure to spread that fabric out and make sure that there is no loose or bunching areas. Keep the fabric nice and taut. Now you'll grab both of those pieces and cross them, making another X on your chest, just as you made an X on your back. Now you can tie it in a double knot either on your back, on your hip, or on your front, depending upon the length of the wrap on you. Once you have that double knot in place, you're ready to grab baby and place them in the wrap.